Hi, I'm Ryan Goulet with Upright Garage Door Services. We've been in business since 1996. We offer residential and commercial sales, service, and installation. We have a friendly staff, knowledgeable technicians, and a short response time. All of our technicians are factory trained and certified. Family owned and operated, licensed, bonded, and insured. When you call Upright Garage Door Services, you can expect us to look at things other companies might overlook. For all your residential and commercial garage door needs, call 564-7323.